How to create CoinMarketCap account. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about creating a CoinMarketCap account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of your web browser on your computer or your mobile device and then go to coinmarketcap.com. Type in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official web page of CoinMarketCap, from where you need to first locate the sign up option that is highlighted in blue color in the top right corner of the screen, which is just beside the login option. Click on it. And here you will be taken to the login portal. If you already have an account, switch it to login option and enter your email address and password in the correct field and then click on login. Alternatively, you can also directly use your Google account, your Apple ID, your Binance account, or simply with your wallet in order to log into your CoinMarketCap account. But if you do not have an account and you would like to sign up or create one, simply switch to sign up option, and here on this page, enter the correct form of your email address and also enter the correct form of your password in the second field. Also check this box if you'd like to stay updated with the latest crypto news, research findings, reward programs, event updates, and more. Now click on create an account option that is highlighted in blue color. But besides this option, you can also directly sign up with your Google account, your Apple ID, your Binance account, and even with your wallet account. So for this video, we will continue with entering the email address and the password. Now click on the create an account option. Now you have to go through some verification, and after you're done, they will send an email to the email address you just used to open the CoinMarketCap account. So open the Gmail in a new tab, then simply verify your account by copying this code and entering the verification code, or you can also directly click on here to verify the account. And congratulations, your account will be successfully created. Now further, you have to enter username for your ID. And this way you will be able to register your account in CoinMarketCap. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.